The limits of human understanding arise from a variety of factors rooted in biology, psychology, culture, and the nature of knowledge itself. Here are some key aspects. 1. Biological constraints. Cognitive biases. Innate mental shortcuts often lead to errors in judgment or decision-making, such as confirmation bias or overgeneralization. 2. Complexity of systems. Scale. Understanding phenomena on extremes of scale, subatomic particles or cosmic events, challenges human comprehension and often requires abstract mathematics or models. Emergence. Some systems, example, consciousness, ecosystems, exhibit emergent properties that are difficult to reduce to their components. Chaotic systems. Systems like weather or stock markets are so sensitive to initial conditions that long-term predictions are inherently unreliable. 3. Epistemological barriers. Infinite regress. Some questions lead to a chain of why questions without a final, satisfying answer. Example, why does anything exist at all? Paradoxes. Some concepts, such as those in quantum mechanics or ethics, defy classical logic and appear contradictory. Uncertainty. Principles like Heisenberg's uncertainty principle highlight intrinsic limits to knowledge about the physical world. 4. Psychological and cultural limits. Cultural lens. Cultural norms and languages shape how humans interpret the world, potentially narrowing the scope of understanding. Cognitive overload. Faced with excessive information, humans can struggle to filter relevant details or see the big picture. Emotional constraints. Fear, prejudice, or vested interest can hinder objective analysis or exploration of new ideas. 5. Limits of representation. Mathematics and language. Both are tools for understanding but are limited by their own frameworks. Certain ideas may be inexpressible or only approximated within these systems. Abstraction. Representations of reality, maps, models, equations, are simplifications and can never fully capture the true nature of complex phenomena. 6. Philosophical mysteries. Consciousness. The hard problem of understanding subjective experience remains unresolved despite advances in neuroscience. Infinity and nothingness. Concepts like infinity, eternity, and the nature of nothing challenge human intuition. The purpose of existence. Fundamental questions about the meaning and purpose of life often fall outside the reach of empirical science. While human understanding has evolved over time, these limits remind us of the humility required in our pursuit of knowledge. They also highlight the importance of interdisciplinary approaches, collaboration, and tools like artificial intelligence to extend the boundaries of what we can comprehend.